Yes, Suyesha, I have also been in touch with lawyers of CC Thampi. In fact, in April, just before the vacations of the courts had started, I spoke to senior advocate Mr. Mohan Parasaran, who's represented Thampi in the courts in the south. I also tried to understand what these Amipur deals are, because remember the word Amipur and these land deals are finding mention.
But what was his perspective on this? How is he
Yesha, I've been told by Mohan Parasaran in a long interview that he gave to Republic. Number one, I asked him whether in fact CC Thampi's wife was related to Robert Vadra, to which he said, even if she's related, how does that prove quid pro quo? Right. I also asked him about the properties that he's got here. He also at one point mentioned that yes, there could be hospitality that was enjoyed by the Congress and by Vadra, but how does that prove that he should be charged by the ED? All those details coming up in Republic soon.
All right, Rhythm, at this stage, for all the viewers who are tuning into Republic TV, let's put this into perspective. We broke the Justice Dhingra Committee report exclusively here with Republic TV less than less than 24 hours ago. And right now, we're talking about a man called CC Thampi, right? For all the viewers who are tuning in, Rhythm, if you can tell us, why are we talking about this man called CC Thampi from Dubai? Can you give us the context to it?
Absolutely. Let's actually take our viewers, like you rightly said, Krishna, towards what's really happening here. CC Thampi is a man who hails from Kerala. He made it big in UPA 1 and UPA 2. He's been known for the past 13 years to be staying in Gulf. Recently, he's being probed by the Enforcement Directorate, who is trying to establish his links with Robert Vadra. The ED has come out with a statement in which they've said Thampi is an NRI. He acquired huge agricultural land mass in Palwal and Faridabad district of Haryana in the name of his companies. He circumvented prescribed law of land in contravention of extinct provisions of FEMA. In fact, the ED statement says that funds he's acquired huge agricultural land mass in the National Capital Region and the Gautam Budh Nagar in Uttar Pradesh. This becomes so relevant because we've been told by sources in the ED, the main thing they're trying to establish is the link between Robert Vadra and CC Thampi. It's known in the political circles that CC Thampi is extremely close to the Gandhi family. He has business relationships with Robert Vadra. What they're really trying to establish with these business relationships is just one thing. What is this link when it comes to properties that are being purchased abroad by Robert Vadra? Now, we're also trying to get in a word with the Chief Minister of Haryana, CM, Mr. Khattar on this. But before we go to that, Krishna, let's also tell our viewers a little more about CC Thampi. He has a hotel chain in the UAE. He's also got several real estate properties. Like I did say, he made it big in the UPA 1 and the UPA 2. I'll also tell them now about how long we've been actually tracking CC Thampi. He came here in February. Through my sources, I came to know that he was going to be here, and it was through his links with Robert Vadra, which was the main thing that the ED was really trying to pick up on. Since February, we've been trying to get in a word with him. Right, the interrogation and the way it happens is extremely interesting.
Rhythm, I'm going to have to stop you for a second, because as you've been rightly telling us that we are getting a reaction from Haryana's Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. Let's quickly play this out and listen in to what the current Haryana Chief Minister has to say.
साफ हुआ है कि किस तरीके से रॉबर्ट वाड्रा का कनेक्शन था। रिपब्लिक टीवी के एक्सपोजर में बिल्कुल साफ जो रिपोर्ट आउट हुई है उस पर आपका क्या कहना है सर? डायरेक्ट लिंक दिख रहे हैं हुड्डा जी के साथ, किस तरीके से हेल्प करेगी?
जिनके पास वो रिपोर्ट का सो कॉल्ड रिपोर्ट है उन्हीं से पूछिए
सर। रिपोर्ट रिपब्लिक टीवी ने करा है, क्या इसमें हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट अभी
जिनके पास है उन्हीं से पूछिए। आई एम नॉट सपोज्ड टू टेल एनीथिंग अबाउट
रिपोर्ट। हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट क्या इसमें कोई प्रॉब करेगी? लगातार कह रहे हैं, हुड्डा जी कह रहे हैं, भूपेंद्र हुड्डा जी कह रहे हैं।
उन्हीं से पूछिए जिनके पास ये रिपोर्ट है। आई एम नथिंग टू से। कोर्ट्स का काम है, ये मेरा काम नहीं है। कोर्ट क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे, दैट्स अप टू देम।
भूपेंद्र हुड्डा जी कह रहे हैं कि अगर कोर्ट लगता है गवर्नमेंट को कि मेरे खिलाफ कुछ भी चीज है तो गवर्नमेंट जस्टिस ढींगरा रिपोर्ट को भी छोड़ दे और मेरे खिलाफ एक्शन ले।
सब जुडिस केस है, सब जुडिस केस में जो भी जस्टिस ढींगरा रिपोर्ट है दैट विल बी सॉल्व्ड बाय कोर्ट।
सो डू यू बिलीव दैट इज देयर एनीथिंग रॉन्ग डूइंग डन बाय भूपेंद्र हुड्डा, द फॉर्मर सीएम? बस अगर बोलेंगे हम तो